Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to apply for a refund on AliExpress. Open AliExpress on your device and then tap Account section at the bottom side of your screen, and here at the top you should see My Orders and tap View All. So here find the order that you want to refund for and tap on it to open the order details. And if you scroll down, you should see button Return and Refund. So tap on it, and if you have that situation, if the order hasn't been delivered yet or the item is incorrect or damaged, you will be asked to choose a reason for the refund. So select the option that suits you the best for your case. For example, it could be item not received, item not as described, or for example, damaged item. And if necessary, you will be asked to upload some photos or videos as proof that something is not okay with your item. And you should add explanation in the comment box to explain the issue clearly. And then you can enter the refund amount that you are requesting. Usually it will suggest the full amount of the item, but you can adjust it if it's needed, of course. And after you submit the form, the seller has a few days to respond to it. And if the seller agrees, the refund will be processed automatically, and if not, AliExpress will step in to help resolve your issue. And also you can track the status of your dispute anytime in the same order section as I showed it to you. So that's it. That's basically how we can apply for refund on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.